Hello, and welcome to my channel, Simple Beauty Secrets. Lose 10 pounds in a week. Do you want to lose weight but fast? Do you hate to exercise or going on restrictive diets? Then you are in the right place, because today I'm going to show you a natural remedy that will make you lose 10 pounds in just 1 week. All the ingredients used are natural and easily found in your kitchen, and there are no lengthy or hard procedures. So let's get started. Take a pot and add 1 cup of water to it. Place it on the flame and heat it. Do not boil it, just heat the water. Then add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey, and 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Let it cool to room temperature. Acetic acid present in apple cider vinegar leaves you feeling fuller for longer, thereby preventing you from overeating or having cravings. This will help you eat fewer calories and lead to actual kilos lost on the scale. Apple cider vinegar helps stabilize blood sugar levels, especially after eating a meal high in carbohydrates. Stabilized blood sugar levels are important to ensure a healthy and effective weight loss. Lemons, on the other hand, help to detoxify the body, strengthen the immune system, promote kidney health, and break down fat cells. Adding honey to your weight loss drink will help you improve your gut health and increase your energy levels. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce some of the bad effects of eating high-fat foods. This can help you in an overall weight loss plan. Its effect on blood glucose levels can also help your body ultimately lose weight. Drink it before going to bed every day for 7 days. After drinking it, rinse your mouth with water to prevent the apple cider vinegar from causing tooth erosion. I hope you like my video. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video.